Hello everyone. India has progressed really well in past 2 decades, especially talking about, gender equality. Women are now getting equal opportunity as men. They are winning the medals in Olympics, they are flying the jets, name any field and they are there. So there is no more fight about at least the opportunity. But when it comes to delivering a new baby, somehow everyone in the family deep in their heart wish to have a boy. Doctor, I already have a girl. I want a boy. Doctor, I have two girls already. My husband will leave me. I want a boy. My in-laws wish it. I want a boy. I only want to have one baby and it had to be a boy. I have a business worth of crores. Who will run it? I want a boy. So many excuses with only one wish. I want a boy. It isn't about being rich or poor, being educated or not educated, being orthodox or having many modern thoughts, but somewhere every in-laws, husbands, wives, even girls' parents, in their heart wish to have a boy who will take their family name further. I'm not saying anything new. You all know it already. But read it from the pen of a well known doctor, a gynecologist, a mother who sees it almost daily, who sees the cruel stories of a mother killing her newborn before even the umbilical cord is cut off, who sees pregnant women crying of fear of delivering a girl baby, who sees women coming pregnant for seventh or eighth time with uterus ruptured, women coming with the request of abortions, and so many cruel cases. The doctor is actually living a life in between monsters, or sometimes she feels herself as a monster. A newborn life is a miracle that should be celebrated, experienced of. But what the doctors, gynecologists experience in government hospitals, in big corporate hospitals, is a mix of fear, anxiety, nervousness, anger, and misery also. Dr. Aruna Kalra has written this book, I Want a Boy, based on her personal experiences, the stories that she has encountered during the 25 years of being a well known gynecologist. The book is all about her own journey of becoming a doctor to a mother, and it contains the chapters from her patient's life who came with a wish of having a boy, who came with this wish on verge of their own health. Sometimes they get it, but sometimes they are left with tears, killings, or sadness. Even now, people comes to doctors and say, I want a boy. Bitter truth. But this fact and a wish of having a boy cannot be changed even with the technical advancements. Do read the book to know the obsession of having a male child in Indian society even now. Thank you.